Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I would like to do today guys is show you how to create realistic looking fog in Adobe Photoshop. An element that you might like to apply to landscape photos and sort of other photos that you may be sort of trying to get that sort of misty, foggy kind of feel to your imagery. And what I would like to do is obviously show you the processes and the steps that you need to take to do such an effect. If you see here, if I turn off this top layer, that was the original image, and I've applied that fog there, like so. So what I'm going to do to that top layer is just press backspace to remove it, and let's start again and afresh with our first original image. So to that layer, what I need to do is duplicate it. The shortcut to do that on a Mac is Command-J, on Windows it's Control-J. And what I would like to do now is convert this layer to a smart object. So I'm just going to quickly right-click on the layer, and as you can see here, we have the option to convert to smart object. Now with that layer still highlighted, what I'm now going to do is come to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. What I want to do is bring my dehaze to -100. And I now want to increase my contrast here to 100. And let's press OK. Now to that layer, what I need to do now is apply a layer mask to it. So I'm going to come to our layer mask option here and apply a layer mask to that layer. And with my gradient tool, which the shortcut is G, I'm going to come through and choose basics. Let's start off with the standard black to white gradient. And now what I'm going to do is come through and with my gradient tool selected, just do one like so, probably around there. Wonderful. Now back to my gradient, what I now need to do is go back to also that basics group and use the second option, gradient there. And I'm just going to come through and just come down and apply the fog like so. Let me just press Command Z on Mac or Control Z on Windows to go back there. And just bring that down a little bit more, let's say probably around there, like so. And last step would be, maybe bring it a little bit lower. Last step would be is to lower the opacity to 80%. And there you have it, guys. That's how you realistically create fog in Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care and see you next time.